And welcome everybody. This is a great moment that we are coming on 16 December, and since there is a lot of money problem going on, this will be like a stress buster for everybody. They can come, enjoy the movie, laugh, and hope we are successful in doing that. While shooting, we had great moments, we had great time, working with the director. He gave me a lot of free hand to do a lot of scenes with my liberty, and similarly, because Prithviji is lot into a comedy, I was not into it, but still, with the help of director, I could match him. And whenever I wanted more retakes, he allowed me to do without considering the producer's money. And because the end product has to be really nice. And working with Prithviji was very nice, comedy king. And since I worked with Sunil and all other leading comedians also, it was fun to know this genre as well, because crying is easy, doing other scenes are easy, but to make somebody laugh, it is a challenge, because when you do not only one retake, you have many retakes, and the laughter quotient has to be intact throughout the retakes you have given. That is where we used to try our level best, and the dialogues are really hilarious, really good one. You know, I used to every time hear it, and I used to burst out laughing. That is very important on the set. If you can feel it, then only you can convey it across the screen. I didn't have a chance to share with the other two artists, but I have heard they are also a romantic couple in it, and they have done a wonderful job. Good luck to them as well. And music part, yeah, we I didn't know I'm going to have a peppy number, since I thought Prithviji will be reluctant on dancing or something like that. But when I came to know that they have got a peppy number, I was super excited. And the number is done really well while shooting. Some steps he has done it so cutely, so nicely, that when y'all will have a, I'm sure in promos y'all must have seen. It is a visual treat. You really want to, you get a smile on your face. You know, he trying new steps with little different style. The choreographer has really worked hard on him, and he himself never said no. There are many times when he say, "Oh, we have heel problem. Oh, we have this dress problem. Oh, we have this problem. Can we do little alteration in the steps?" But I saw he's so dedicated, being a non-dancer. He never changed any steps. So the dedication is very important, and that you will see on screen. Apart from that, we had very smooth shooting, thanks to the production. Very hospitality was superb. And now we are just all waiting for the baby to come out on screen and see how is the hard work doing. And we are all very sure that the amount of fun we had doing it, you all will have equally, you all will enjoy each and every frame. Every artist has their own sketched character, well sketched character. And hope we are successful in entertaining you all, guys. Thank you so much.
మరిన్ని ఫ్రెష్ ఫిల్మ్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా TFC మీడియా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.